going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it has been quite some time since I have last uploaded a video, and we're not going to get into that. You're here to see some cliff jumping because you read the title and you're not retarded. We're going to go ahead and jump right into that. I'm going to go meet some of the guys at the Waffle House, and we're going to get some breakfast, and then we're going to head up to Saluda, where I have not been, but they have, and apparently I need lots of tread on my shoes, which might be a problem because my Nikes here are about bald as you can get, and I guess I always got my trusty pair of Crocs, but I'm not riding a bike in Crocs, so I guess I'm taking the Air Force Ones today, which also don't have very much tread, so I might fall off a mountain and die, but we'll be okay. I'm probably going to have you guys on the GoPro for most of the day because I don't want to get my phone wet. Yeah, that's pretty much it, so I'll quit talking and we'll get to the interesting stuff. Trash.
Oh shit!
Hey Manny. You don't think you should be able to climb it, bro?
I feel like Mo's barely gonna be able to do it.
Man.
Dude, my man Mo is gonna make it, bro. Have you seen his scars, bro? He's got stabbed and shot. He can make it down a rock.
And stabbed.
You got stabbed too?
Yeah.
I'm hanging out with thugs.
Am I gonna tell him or is somebody else gonna tell him? Tell him what?
Somebody gonna tell him. Tell me what?
We walk a mile until we climb down the mountain.
Until we climb down a mountain. And how exactly, what is this mountain like?
Probably about a mile more.
A mile after? Walking a mile after
No,
it?
it's about 5 minutes down. 5-10 minutes down.
5-10 minutes
Nothing
down? Is there any chance that somebody could get hurt?
Hell yeah. Possible.
7 people have died this year.
7 people have died, and why are we out here again?
Because it's fun.
Is there not any more cliffs to jump off of that's not so dangerous to try to get to?
No.
So what happens if you fall while trying to climb down this mountain?
You're fucked.
You're dead?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So,
Stuck. I can't get this out.
what is there, a rope you hang on to?
Yeah. At one part, yeah.
Okay, and is the rope very sturdy?
No. It's been fraying the more and more we come.
Oh, fantastic. I love it.
Well, I mean, me and Bobby's come here when there wasn't a rope. So, I mean, me, Nick, and Timmy Burchett.
You and Nick camped here?
Yeah. On the edge
What?
of the rock.
Just the last time we came.
Bro, I feel like this water is very cold.
It really is.
I feel like this water
if you
is
jump?
freezing.
If you jump and you hit it, you're fine. But if you like ease into it,
My boy fell. I told you it was slippery, bro. You didn't listen. His shoes are wet.
Brody, you ever put the case I got you on?
I didn't want to do it for the coming out here because I feel like if I dropped it anywhere, this would be the place to drop it.
How you doing, Brody?
I'm doing good, man.
Are you tired yet?
No, not at all.
How was that fall?
Huh?
Have we seen Tyler do?
That was pretty funny.
Okay. There are dangerous, unprotected waterfalls and natural rock formations in this area. People have been killed falling from these natural formations. Falling! They didn't say nothing about jumping. I think we're good to go, guys.
Okay. This is much more sketchier than what it looks like when you're standing up there.
yep.
A royal shack in the rivers of North Carolina. He's vicious. He'll rip you to shreds. That was very, very anti. The shark seems to be making his way. There's a Brody.